اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے۔ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے۔ جی نرسری، ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می۔ پہلا کلمہ طیب۔ طیب معنی پاک۔ لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ۔ ونس اگین نرسری، لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ۔ ترجمہ، اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں۔ Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قل ہو اللہ احد، اللہ صمد، لم یلد ولم یولد ولم یکن لہ کفوا احد۔ Yes, nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes, nursery class, once again good morning. Before starting our lecture we do some general knowledge question answer. Here are the 5 questions that we do in the last week. So right now I will only revise these questions, okay? I will ask the question and you will give me the answer. Yes, question number 1 is nursery, who are we? Excellent. Yes, we are Muslim. Clap for you, nursery. Number 2, what is the name of our religion? Excellent. The name of our religion is Islam. Now come to the question number 3. What is the name of our country? Very good. The name of our country is Pakistan. So nursery class, are you ready for the next question? Next question is, what are the color of our flag? Yes, exactly right. The color of our flag is green and white. Now the question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right, nursery class. We found star and crescent. Very good. Now nursery class, are you ready for the question of this week? Yes. Now the question number 6 is, how many prayers are in a day? Your answer is 5 prayers. Okay. Question number 7 is, what are the name of the prayers? Your answer will be Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Well done. You want to revise the answer of question number 7? Yes. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Question number 8. How many days in a week? The answer is there are 7 days in a week. Now the next question, which is question number 9. What are the names of days in a week? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nursery class, there is no worry. You don't have to prepare these questions in one day. Okay? We will revise in the whole week and after that. Okay? We will ask this question in your quiz. Okay? So in this way, these questions are revised. And let's come to the last question of the week. Who is the founder of Pakistan? It means who made the Pakistan nursery? And the answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Okay? Now nursery class. It's the maths work time. So are you ready to start the counting with the teacher? Wow, very good. So, let's start the counting from 0 nursery class. Ready? Yes, say ready. Yes, nursery class. So, read now with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now nursery class, look at these two numbers. We will do these two numbers in class. So read with the teacher. 1, 1, 11. Once again nursery class. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. That's it, nursery. Nursery class, once again, welcome and open your mathematics book for class KG1. It's your bookwork time. First we do the bookwork. and today you have to open page number 6. Look at here, page number 6. Okay, nursery class? Today we will do page number 6. Have you opened nursery class? Good. You know, first what we do? First we write the date over here. So what is date today, nursery class? I told you. Yes, today date is 7 dash 9 dash 2020. 2020. Okay, nursery class. Now come in the middle of the page. In the middle of the page we will write C dot W. Done it, nursery? Done it like your teacher? Okay. Now what you have to do here is MATCH, match and circle. Nursery class, I have drawn this page on the board. Okay, let's come to the board so you can see easily and big pictures over there. Yes, nursery class, now we are on the board. Look at your books. Okay, you have to see on your book. You can see there is number 3 written over there. Exactly, nursery class. And there are 3 pictures. Okay, only 1 is right and 2 is wrong. Cross. What we have to do? We have to circle the right picture. Okay, that if there is a Seerat picture, we have to circle the Seerat, not the Amna, nursery class. Okay, so here is number 3. Let's count the triangles, nursery class. These are triangles. Let's count the yellow triangles. Put the finger, nursery class, on the yellow triangle and count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many yellow triangles are there? 3. Now count the pink triangle, nursery class. Now you will move your finger on your book. Okay, move forward, nursery. So how many pink triangle? 1. How many teacher had drawn pink triangle? 1. I know that on your book there are only black lines. That is why I have drawn the colored picture for you on the board so you can easily understand. Got it, nursery? Now come to the blue triangles. Now count how many blue triangles are there. Put your finger. 1, 2. How many blue triangles are there? 2. Very good. Now, nursery class, we have to circle 3. Blue triangles are 3, nursery class? No. Very good. Pink triangles are 3, nursery class? No. Very good. Now come to the yellow triangle, nursery class. Yellow triangles are 3? Yes. Clap for you, nursery. Very good. How many yellow triangles? 3. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3. So which triangle we will circle, nursery class? Yellow. Very good. We will not circle 1. We will not circle 2. Okay, we will circle 3 because here is number 3. Now come down, nursery class. Here is 1. Okay, 1. So how many apples we will circle? 1. We will circle only 1 apple. Let's count from the blue apples. How many blue apples are there, nursery class? 1, 2, 3. How many blue apples, nursery class? 3. So we will circle 3 apples. No, very good. Now come to the pink apples, nursery class. How many pink apples are there? 1, 2. How many pink apples are there? 2. So we will circle pink apple, nursery class. No, very good, girls. You are doing very good. Now come to the yellow apple, nursery class. How many yellow apples are here? 1. Very good. You are too intelligent, my nursery. How many yellow apples are there? 1. So which apple we will circle? Yes, we will circle the yellow apple because it is 1. Okay, we have to circle only the one apple. Okay, so circle the yellow apple. Okay, we have to match this number with the apple. Okay, nursery class, this number. Now come down, nursery. G, nursery class. Now we are on number 2. And in front of 2, what is this? Yes, these are pencils. We have to count the pencils, nursery class. Let's count with the teacher. Yes, nursery, count the pencil. 1, 2, 3. How many yellow pencils are there? 3. Now, let's come to the pink pencil. How many pink pencil are there? 1. How many pink pencil are there, nursery class? 1. So we will circle 1, nursery class. No, because we have to find the 2. Now how many pencils are in blue color? 1, 2. How many blue pencils are there, nursery class? 2. So please once again tell me, we will circle the 3 yellow pencils? No. We will circle the 1 pink pencil? No. So we will circle the blue 2 pencils? Yes. Excellent, nursery. You are the super class of the school. You know that? We will circle the 2 blue pencils. Okay, nursery class? Now, come to the other side, nursery. Here is 1. And lots of faces are there. Wow, very good. So, what is the first number? Yes, 1 is the first number. Okay, first we will do the activity with the faces, okay? We will make these faces a happy faces. Let's make a fun with the picture. Let's make fun with the pictures. Makeup and all the faces will become happy. See, they are happily watching the teacher. Hi. Okay, nursery, see, I have made these faces for happy. Now, how many faces we have to find? We only have to find 1 happy faces. How many? 1. Because here is 1. So let's see. First is the pink color. Count how many pink faces are there. 1, 2. How many pink faces are there? 2. So we will circle 2 faces, nursery. No. Let's move forward. Now the yellow faces. Let's count how many yellow faces are here. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow faces are here, nursery class. So we will circle the yellow face, 3 yellow faces. Quickly think. No. We will not circle the pink. Okay. So we have to move forward. Yes, move to the blue faces. Sorry, move to the blue face because blue is only 1 face. How many blue faces are here? Yes, teacher had draw only 1 blue face. So, will we circle the blue face? Exactly right. We will circle the 1 face. because here is 1 and we have find the one blue face. Excellent, nursery. Circle it. Oops, what happened with the teacher circle? Okay. Come down, nursery class. Come to number 2, your book. There is also number 2 on your book. Put finger, nursery, quickly, quickly. Done it? Now, what we have given us for number 2? Yes, nursery, these are leaves. Wow. Now, let's find out how many leaves? Yes, we have to find out 2 leaves because they have given us number 2. Find out where are the 2 leaves. First, the pink leaves. How many pink leaves are there? 1. Uh-oh. No, this is the wrong. We will not circle this. Okay, nursery? We'll move forward. Let's count the yellow leaf. Count how many yellow leaves are there. 1, 2, 3. How many yellow leaves are there? 3. So we will circle the 3 leaves, nursery class. Very good, boys. Superb. Very good. We will not circle the yellow leaves because we have to find 2 leaves. Now move forward, nursery. Now there are blue leaves. Okay. Now count how many blue leaves are there. 1, 2. How many blue leaves are there, nursery class? 2. So nursery class, circle the blue leaf. Okay. Quickly circle, nursery class. Done it with the teacher? Are you doing the circle with the teacher, nursery? Excellent. My nursery is a superb class. Now move to the next number, nursery class. What is the next number? Yes, the next number is number 3. Got it, nursery? Please quickly put the finger once again on 3. Now, what is in front of 3? Fish. Oh my God, lots of fish. How many fish we have to find? Yes, we have to find 3 fish. So, pink fish are 3. No, how many? 1. There is only 1 pink fish. So, we will not circle the pink fish. Move forward, nursery class. So, there are blue fish. How many blue fish are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow, we quickly find this time. So we will circle these 3 blue fish. Quickly circle nursery class with the teacher. Wow. Now nursery class is coloring time. Now nursery class is coloring time. There are 3 pictures. We will not color these 3 pictures. We only color the picture that we have circled. Are you coloring with the teacher? Do beautiful colors, and I have told you many times that your color don't come out, okay? Now let's come to the apple. Apple is of red color, nursery. There are 3 sets of apple. We will only color the apple that we have circled. Only color this apple, okay, nursery class? Don't color these apples, okay? Now pencils. How many pencils we have to circle? 2. Okay, we will color only in these 2 pencils. Okay, nursery class, we will not color the rest of these pencils. Okay, now like this. Color here, okay, and then color in this picture, and then color in this picture. Let's do the color and meet, nursery. See, nursery class, teacher has finished this. Okay, and come to the next part, okay, nursery class, which I have also drawn it on the board. Let's see. Now I also have drawn this part for you so you can easily see a big picture and understand it. Okay, nursery class. First, there is 3 hearts. In this section, we have to circle the numbers, okay, not the pictures. What we have to circle in this section? Numbers, okay. So we will first count heart. Put your finger, nursery class, on heart. Are your finger on heart? Now let's count the heart. 1, 2, 3. How many hearts are there? 3. How many hearts are there? 3. So what is this number? 2. So we will circle the number 2. No. Next, move to the next number. This is number 1. So will we circle the number 1? No. Because we have to find 3. Because here are 3 hearts. Move to the next number. What is this number? Yes, this is number 3. What is this number? Number 3. So, which number we will circle? Tell me once again. Will we circle the number 2? No. Will we circle number 1? No. Will we circle number 3? Yes. Say yes with the teacher. Yes. Very good. So we will circle number 3. Very good. Okay. Move to the next thing. What is this? Oh, beautiful flower. Very good. Now put your finger on the flower, nursery class. Are your finger on the flower? Very good. So how many flowers are here? Yes, only 1. How many flowers are there? 1. So which number we have to find out? Number 1. Now we will move to the opposite side. This is number 3. So will we circle number 3? No. Next number 2. Will we circle number 2? No. Why? Because we have to find 1. Because here are only 1 flower. So what is this number? Oh my God, we got it. Yes, this is number 1. So what we do? Yes, we will circle number 1. Quickly, nursery class, circle number 1. Very good. Are you doing the circle with the teacher? Yes, please quickly do make circle with the pencil. Okay, don't make circle on number 2 and number 3. No, then I will give you cross. Okay, circle number 1. Move to the next picture. What is in the next picture? Wow, balloons. I love balloons, nursery class. So count how many balloons are here. 1, 2. How many balloons are here? 2 balloons. Excellent. So which number we have to find out? Yes, we have to find out number 2. Let's move and find out. What is this number? Yes, this is number 3. No, we will not circle it. Move to the next number. What is the next number, nursery class? 1. So we circle number 1. No, 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 no. Why? Yes, because we have to find out 2. Because there are 2 balloons. Okay? Don't move, nursery. Please watch the video. So, what is the next number? Yes, next number is number 2. Very good. We got it. We got it. Yes. So what we do with number 2? We quickly circle number 2. Very good. Clap for the nursery girls and boys. Very good. Move to the other side. What is this? This is a beautiful house that teacher has drawn for you. Yes, nursery class. So how many house teacher draw for you? Only 1. How many house? Only 1. So which number we will find? Yes, we will find number 1. Okay, nursery class? Which number we will find? Number 1. Oops. This is the first number. Wow, we find it out so quickly. Quickly circle the number, nursery class. Quickly, quickly, quickly. We will not watch these two numbers. No, 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 no. Okay, done this with number. Move. Now next nursery class. Move to the next picture. What is in the next picture? Yes, in the next picture there are two hearts. Let's count with the teacher. 1, 2. How many hearts are there? 2. So which number we will find out? Number 2. So what is this number? Number 3. So we circle the number 3. No, 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 no. We will move forward. Oops. What is this number? This is number 2. Yes, we have to find the number 2. Quickly, quickly, nursery class, circle number 2. Okay, are you doing the circle with the teacher, nursery? Very good. I am watching you, nursery. You know, I have put the camera in your houses. I am watching everyone. Okay. Now move to the next picture, nursery class. Yes, these are trees. Let's count the trees. 1, 2, 3. How many trees are there, nursery class? 3. Now which number we have to find out? Number 3. Quickly find out the nursery number. 1. This is one number. So we circle the one number. No, 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 no. Move to the next number. What is this number? Number 2. So we will circle the number 2. No, 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 no. Because we have to find out 3. They have given us 3 trees. So what is the next number? Oh, wow. The next number is number 3. Quickly circle, nursery. Very good. Now nursery class, it's the coloring time. You have to color in all these pictures, okay? And quickly meet the picture when you finish the coloring. Now nursery class, you can see I have done my coloring. Okay, do a beautiful, neat and clean color. Do the beautiful coloring like your teacher. And nursery class, now move to the next page, which is page number 7. They have write 1 here, okay? So in these boxes, we also have to write a very neat and clean one like this, like this, like this. Okay, I have done with the 1, nursery class. Now move to the number 2. In these boxes, we have to write number 2. Okay, write down number 2. Now nursery class, look at this. I have done the full page with number 2 and number 3. Quickly finish your book work and then move to your copy work and quickly open your classwork copies. Class, it's our board work time. Now put the pencil in your copy and don't open the copy. First you listen the numbers, okay? Please don't get bored with the number. Your teacher love math, you know that? So let's count the counting once again. Count with the teacher. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. Now nursery class, today we will start from here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Next number, nursery class. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Now nursery class, do it once again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. Now nursery class, is your time to open your classwork copy and do the work with the teacher. So ready nursery? So what is date today nursery class? Yes, today date is 7 dash 9 dash 2020. Please write the date on the line, okay? Don't come down the line and don't fly in the air, okay? And write down classwork here. C dot W. And today we will do the counting from 1-1-11 to 1-5-15. So write here 1-1-11 dash to 1-5-15. Got it nursery class? So let's start the counting nursery. Come to the first block. Are you here? Put your pencil here nursery. Quickly. So write down here nursery class 1, 1. 1 in this block and then 1 in the next block. And read with the teacher 1, 1, 11. Again nursery class, read with the teacher 1, 1, 11. Then you will leave this block, put finger and say with the teacher leave one block and write down like this 1, 1, 11. Again I want to tell you 1 in the one block and 1 in an other block. Don't write 2, 1 in one block, okay? Do the work as the teacher do. 1, 1, 11. Read with the teacher. 1, 1, 11. And again leave one finger and write down 1, 1, 11. And fill the full line nursery class. See nursery class, teacher has done the 1, 1, 11 in the full line. Okay, you also have to write in the full page. Then what we will do, we will leave one block. Say it with the teacher, leave one block. Again nursery class, leave one block. And what we will write here, 1 in this block and 2 and other block. And read with the teacher 1, 2, 12. Again nursery class 1, 2, 12. Again 1, 2, 12. Done it nursery? 1, 1, 11 and 1, 2, 12. Next we will leave one block and write down in the next block 1, 2. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 1, 11 and 1, 2, 12. And fill the full line nursery class. Teacher is waiting for you. See nursery class, teacher has done her full page. and you also have to do the full page. Okay. Now 1 to 12 is finished. Now what we will do, we will move to the next line. What we will do with this block, put a finger. Okay, you also do it nursery, put a finger and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. What you will say with the teacher? Leave one block. And write down here 1, 3, 13. What you will say? 1, 3, 13. Say it again. 1, 3, 13. And what we will do in the next block? We will leave one finger and write down here 1, 3, 13. What is this nursery class? 1, 3, 13. Nursery class, fill the full line and come to me. Nursery class, see, teacher has write the 1, 3, 13 in the full page. Okay, so read 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12 and 1, 3, 13. And what we will do in the next block? We will leave one finger. Okay, nursery class? Put a finger and say it with the teacher. Leave one block. Again? Yes, leave one block. And write down 1 in this block and 4 in... Oops, every time teacher chalk will break. Every time, okay? And say it again with the teacher. 1 for 14. 1 for 14. In the next block, what we will do, we will leave one block and write down here 1 for 14. 1 for 14. Done it? Now do the next block. Leave one block and write down 1 for 14. Fill the full page, nursery class. See, nursery class, we have done this page also. Now move to the next line, nursery class. So what we will do in this block? Yes. Now I know that you everyone know. Say it, but you have to say it with the teacher that leave one block. What you will do? Leave one block. And what we will write here? 1, 5, 15. Again, 1, 5, 15. In the next block, we will leave one block and write down here 1, 5, 15. Fill the full page, nursery. G nursery class. Are you ready to count last time with the teacher? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. And 1, 5, 15. Today what you will send me, you will send the audio or video of counting from 0 to 1, 5, 15. Today I have arranged an activity for you. You want to do a board activity with the teacher or pictures? Let's do it. Yes, ready for the fun with the teacher, nursery class? I thought that you are getting bored with doing the work. So I think I convert the work into a fun. Okay? So please tell me today what we write. Yes. Today we write 1, 1, 11. Write it in the other page, nursery class. Done it? So what we will do with the 1, 1, 11. You know that, nursery class? See, I make a slanting line, then a standing line like this, and join this, nursery class. Now what will I do? I make a flame. See, what is this? I make candle out of 1. So you make the candle by yourself. Again you want to see the teacher. Let's come. I love this. Make a slanting line. Then a standing line. Then I will join these two lines. Okay. So I will make a flame now with white color. Oh, the candle is burning. And see? Oh, it's coming down. Done it? We done it. 1, 1, 11. Now is the turn of 1 to 12. So, which number we read next, nursery class? We read 1, 2, 12. Am I right, nursery class? So, what we will do with 1 to 12? We do the same thing with 1. Okay, today we will make only candle with 1. One slanting line, one standing line, and then join these two lines. And then make a flame like this. Okay? And you know what I am going to do with 3? No? Really? Okay, I will tell you. We have write one here. We will write one more. So we have write 2 here. We will write one more 2. Like this, we will move with the 2. And we will stop here. Done it, nursery? Are you doing the work with the teacher? And what we will do here? 1, 2 like this. 3rd U. And 4th U. Okay? Done it, nursery class? Now teacher, what will the teacher do? Teacher will hold this and make a noon like this and join this noon with this. Done it, nursery class? Are you doing with it? And now teacher, what the teacher will do? See? Teacher will again do a small noon in it. Okay? And make lots of 3 in it. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Done it. And you know now what the teacher is going to do? Teacher is making it big. Yes. And one eyes. Oh my God. This is duck. Wow. Teacher made a very beautiful duck. And the duck is sitting in a water. Okay. Now you want to make one more picture? Okay, come to the last picture. Okay, nursery class. Now which number come after 1 to 12? Yes. 1, 3, 13. I write 3 here. Okay. So you know that now what the teacher make with one candle. Okay, so you learn easily the candle. We make too much candles today, okay? We will do new things with one in the next lecture, okay? So, you know what the teacher will do with the number 3? No? Really? Now let's see. Teacher make a line like this. And then join this line like this. Done it, nursery? And on the other side, teacher make another 3 like this. Okay. Done it, nursery? And you know, in the inside, teacher will make small bay like this. Okay, nursery class? Now, Teacher, make a beautiful face. You know, teacher, what is making nursery class? Please tell me. Smiling butterfly. Yes, teacher is making a butterfly nursery. Okay, and if you want to do more designing of it, you can make round and round and round. Do make round and round and round. Okay, one pink. What is this? Yes, we make butterfly with number 3. Nursery class, these picture you have to draw in the homework copy, not in the classwork copy, because in homework you have lot of time to do things, okay? Make the pictures, do coloring and do send to your teacher, okay? In one page you will do the homework and in the other page, let me show you. Yes, in this page you will do your homework and homework is same as the class work, and in this page you will draw the picture and do color it. Okay, nursery class? Okay, so we will meet on Thursday with the next new maths lecture. Until then, Allah Hafiz and enjoy your story. Bye bye.